Hello guys, you're welcome to Nigeria Cruise Entertainment Hustle Crew. So my name is Charles Uchechi. So today we'll be talking of how to make money online in Nigeria with your phone. You could actually make at least 2,000 naira a day. Okay, let's see, at least 5,000 naira a day if you are consistent with this. This is by far one of my easiest ways to make money online. Though I got to know the good thing about this is there is no much stress in doing this. All you just need, the requirements you need to have is your smartphone, your data, be it Android or iOS. You can go along with this app. So let's head into it. So first thing you do is you go to your Play Store if you are using an Android device. Once you go to your Play Store, you search for OPay. Sorry about this. Go back to your Play Store, then you search for OPay. OPay. OPay is actually the app. I know maybe you must have heard about it, and maybe you haven't actually made research and never knew that you could make money with it. So the next thing you do is, if you don't have the app, you download it. Actually, I do have the app, so I'll click on open. So let's watch. Okay, this is how it is. So you can see OPay is licensed by CBN and also regulated by NDIC. So you can see that this is a trusted app which you don't have to be scared about your security, like to be scammed or robbed of anything. So this is a safe app. So another thing you should know is also this app could be used for transactions. You could use it for buying of airtime, you could buy data, you could pay for your betting if you are into betting, you could pay, subscribe to your TV station, electricity, internet, and so on and so forth. And you could actually, there's other good benefits of using this app. Now, this is it. Let me click on this. Okay, let me log in. If you don't have an account, you create on sign in, then you put your number and your preferred password, and you put your number, then you get an OTP. Okay, I have an account, so now I'll put my number. So this is my number. I'll put it with my this, and then I'll log in. So after putting your number, you log in. So you are back to your dashboard. So now let's check this out to know what it's all about. Let's check this out to know what it's all about. Click on it. Sorry for the delay. So now this is actually a daily cashback that is being given to every registered individual on the platform. So you hereby come to this place every day. You come to this dashboard every day, and you get a cashback every day. So I've already collected for today, so you could actually see that I collected for today, and they actually wrote that I have earned you have earned 10 naira cashback. So for today it is gone, so tomorrow I'll still have to come back here to get more. So let's take a look at the rules. So I say benefit of the welcome bonus promotion. So get cash back by signing into your app or completing tasks such as withdrawal or bills transactions. Cashback will be issued automatically to your account and can be used to make bill payments such as airtime, betting, TV, electricity, data. Who qualifies for the welcome bonus? This activity is limited to only new OPay users who meet the following criteria: install the latest version of the app, the OPay app for the first time, register their phone number on OPay for the first time, link their bank card or bank account OPay for the first time. So you will actually go down and read more about it. So you just need to be a new member to be able to gain this cashback, and you must, as in you must update your app. So for old members, you have to update your app. So let's go back. So now let's click on reward to see what have got for us there. When you click on the reward, now okay, they brought us back to that same place. So now we'll click on refer a friend, because that's the main way of earning. That's the fast way of making money through this platform if you want to make money online in Nigeria. So now when you click on the refer a friend to earn, so now you could actually see this is the procedure: share your link, how to earn, share your link, friend accept the link, complete the transaction. That's all if you want to earn from this. It's not that difficult to earn from this. Now this other procedure now is if you want any cashback from your referral. So this is the procedure: when invitee completes the following transaction, you earn cashback. So now let's read it. Complete any of the following transaction. First of all, you have to add money to OP account with 1,000 or more. Buy airtime and data of 100 naira and above. Pay bills of 500 naira and above, excluding airtime, data, and betting. So if you're paying the bills, it should be excluding airtime. Airtime isn't part of it. So deposit 1,000 and above to OP account to nearby agent. So these are the procedures. If you follow through any of the procedure, you earn cash back for every transaction your referral makes. So guys, this is an easy way to make money. For me, it's very fast to make money, because if you have friends who doesn't know about OP, you could actually introduce them. All you just need to do is share your link to them, share your link, they register, they complete their registration, and you are already making 600 naira per referral. Just imagine if you are able to refer 5 people a day. That's 3,000 naira in just a day. So that's very easy for me. If you are good in marketing, like even if you have no experience in marketing, your friends should be the first you should share this with, because they will be the first people you earn from. So guys, this is a very legit way to make money, and the payments are fast and swift. So you don't have to be scared about or worried about being delayed your payment or anything. So let me show you when you want to register your referral, how they should complete the account. So let's go back. So you click on me below here. Once you click on me, now you click on this, you click on the above settings here, you click on this. Once you click on it, so now what are you required to do? Okay, let's go back. You are not supposed to click there. So where are you supposed to click? You are supposed to click on this, not there. You click on this. Once you click on this, so now what else are you supposed to click on? You click on this pen icon there. So when you click on it, now the individual is supposed to complete this registration form. You have to complete it and make sure your referral has a BVN number, because you you are required to verify in order to earn. You have to verify, so that why they are doing that is so that people don't have to create multiple accounts on this. So once you have completed this, you will receive your referral bonus within a short period of time. That same day you should be able to receive your referral bonus. So if you want to link your bank card, because mine is linked already, you click on bank card here. Once you click on it, you click on add payment option. So what you require to do is to fill out this place. Once you fill it out, put your pin and everything. For your information, this is a very secure it's a very secure platform where you don't have to be scared of being ripped off your money or anything. Just if you are doing it, you should do it alone. You shouldn't do it with someone you don't trust, because maybe the person might copy your ATM number or your BVN also and run some scam with your details. But if you are alone and do it yourself, you shouldn't be scared of being ripped off your money, because this is a secured platform. So after doing this, you click on confirm and you'll be debited 15 naira, which you can see they said asset description. In order to boost the success rate of the card buying process, a payment of 15 naira will have to be made. Once the payment is successful, the 15 naira will be automatically deposited to your account. You could see that they will refund that 15 naira back to your account. It's not like they are taking it away from you. So guys, I would like you to try this out. Though this is not a financial advice, but I'm making this video just for entertainment purpose, and also show you some ways I have used and ways I want to use to make money online. So guys, I'll leave the link to this app in the description. You could also join my Telegram channel so that you don't miss out on any latest video I'm going to bring for you guys. So subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with others so they could take part on this video and be able to make money online in Nigeria. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay blessed.